the Mystic River. It runs right through Medford, Somerville, and empties into the Boston Harbor, and it could very well be located in your backyard. It's home to many local species. It provides a place for leisure. You can relax, you can ride your bike, run, read, boat, canoe, kayak, make new friends, and hang out with old ones. It's a place where memories are made. But behind all the beauty the Mystic River provides, there's a threatening force at work. Water chestnuts, or trapanetans as scientists call them, is a Eurasian plant that thrives best in warmer, temperate environments. They were first cultivated in nearby Cambridge, Massachusetts in 1877, and by 1879 they were found in the Charles River. The water chestnut stem is generally about 1 meter long. Its fruit a small, black, nut-like structure with 4 sharp horns. The fruit grows underwater, and the water chestnut's leaves allow it to float on the surface. But wait a second. How could something this small and plant-like be causing such a big problem for the Mystic River? We went to find out more. This is Beth. She works for the Mystic River Watershed Association, an organization whose goal is to protect this river from invasive species like the water chestnut. This is Patrick. He specializes in plant ecology, and he told us a lot about what makes the water chestnut so bad.
We could have a diverse set of plants if it were not for this plant that seems to take over. The plant may contribute to a decrease in dissolved oxygen values in the water. The plants actually spread at a density that could decrease the ability for people to recreate. And then I think also nobody really wants to see a river just covered with green. They really want to see some open water as well.
Okay, great. But we still didn't understand what made this small plant so bad. What is an invasive species anyway?
Well, invasive species is a species that basically is spreading through the landscape without much control. Usually we think of them as non-native plants.
So it turns out that this small plant multiplies and takes away oxygen and room from other plants and animals in the Mystic, making it harder for them to survive. And not only that, but their presence makes for one ugly river. When they grow in the summer, the water chestnuts literally cover the surface of the water. Who wants to kayak on that? Not us. But invasive species aren't just in the Mystic. They're all over the place, threatening to destroy the biodiversity of all of our rivers and lakes and forests. For instance, zebra mussels, native to southern Russia, are plaguing the Hudson River in New York and are taking away oxygen from native fish and plants. Purple loosestrife is popping up all over the country, including states like Minnesota, Utah, and Maine. And there's a bright yellow shrub called French broom all over California and the Northwest. Gross. Wow, they're everywhere, and we've only mentioned a few. There's no way you can do anything about it, right? Wrong. There is so much you can do to help save your local environment.
Folks are interested in getting involved. We're always looking for more volunteers. These plants, the seeds can last for a really long time, so it's a multi-year effort we have underway to remove the water chestnuts. And we've actually been partnering a lot more with corporations and community groups that can recruit a whole new base of volunteers.
So I think the biggest thing that people can do is get involved in an initiative, join an organization like the Mystic River Watershed, join an environmental club, and choose an issue to work on as a group and leverage everybody's collective efforts toward finding solutions.
You can attend a community event. You can check our website for details. That's mysticriver.org. So you guys should like us on Facebook and Twitter and all of that.
The evil water chestnut can be conquered, but it starts with you. First, you have to recognize the problem. You've done that by watching this video. Second, go do research. Go to the library or go online to learn what you can. Third, take action. Join projects in your community that work to fight and prevent invasive species.